Hi class, I hope you had a safe and healthy weekend. I just wanted to go over some items for this week. First, let's scroll down. I'm in the Learning Modules page where all of your assignments for this Module 3 is listed. Your Learning Module assignments for suggested due dates of today, 4/27, are this folder, Writing Good Research Questions. That, remember, you're not turning in any work, you're just reviewing work in here. And content, it replaces my lecture. And then right here, you'll see that you have the COVID discussion post suggested due date of 4/27. You'll complete this discussion board post, which is really an attached document, the CRAP test that you'll take, and that is to be done after I approve your research question that you emailed to me. Most of you have emailed or messaged me your research questions. If you haven't done so, just try to get that to me as soon as possible. And those research questions are derived from your coronavirus reflection journal that has the suggested due date of 4/20. So you completed that 4/20 journal assignment, and then you went through this content in this folder for writing a good research question, and then you thought about the type of research question you're looking for in studying the content in this unit of the coronavirus and social justice. So hopefully that helps. Your next assignment, I can't believe we're already going into May soon, but your next assignment is the annotated bibliography. So let me scroll up so that's front and center. So you'll see our English 101 self-paced project assignment sheet. And what I'll do is, at this point, it's completed, and you check off here. So this or have this up on your screen. You've completed this for the most part. You've done steps 4 through 6. You've now completed step 7 through 10. I'm sorry, 7 through 12. Step 13, review materials in the folder titled Annotated Bibliography Resources. This is similar, and I'll go there, to the folder of Writing Good Research Questions. It's information that you're just covering and learning about. It's nothing that you're turning in. So here, and then once it loads, you'll see there's a video, there's a PowerPoint on writing a bibliography, there's a handout on how to write a bibliography, how to prepare an annotated bibliography sheet. There are sample annotated bibliographies attached for you, and then there's a tutorial. So I would start off with video and then work your way through. If you understand what an annotated bibliography is after watching the video, then move forward to the assignment. If you need more content, then just click through the rest of the assignments. But remember, you're not putting any of these into me. So I'll go back to Learning Modules. And once I land into Learning Modules, I'll go back to our Life During the Coronavirus module. And after you go through that content in the folder for Annotated Bibliography Resources, click on the actual assignment that you'll submit to me, which is Annotated Bibliography Assignment Requirements and Submission link. The Annotated Bibliography Assignment sheet is here, and then the rubric is here. So I'm going to click on the assignment sheet first and open that. It'll take a minute. Now here's the Annotated Bibliography Assignment sheet. And you know what? The rubric is in here too, so you don't have to double click on that. So you're going to create an annotated bibliography of the 3 sources that you documented in that CRAP discussion board prompt that you submitted to me. And then an annotated bibliography, the requirements. It's an organized list of sources, like a reference list. It differs from a straightforward bibliography in that each reference is followed by a paragraph length annotation, usually 100 to 200 words in length. So you'll include your citation, your reference, and then you'll include that 100 to 200 word paragraph. Your annotated bibliography will be descriptive or informative, annotated informative in nature, and that means you'll need the following. So look at the 4 bullet points. Describe and summarize or summarize each source. Describe why the source is useful for researching a particular topic or question. Describe the source's distinctive features. So why is it important? Why is it interesting? Describe the author's main arguments and conclusions without evaluating what the author says or concludes. You go through those steps. And then you will need to provide an annotation for each of the sources, and each annotation must be at least, and I have a typo here, but it's 100 to 200 words. So you scroll through and your rubric is listed, and it aligns with that CRAP test: quality of sources, the reliability of the sources, do you have varied sources, writing fluency of annotations, and then APA and documentation. It has to be in accordance to APA style. So that is your assignment sheet and rubric. Oh, it took me out of there, so let me quickly go back to module. Sorry about that. When I click back into the module, I'll go back to for suggested assignment due date for your annotated bibliography. And right here, upload annotated bibliography here. Please upload your annotated bibliography here. Remember that your assignment must be saved as a doc or docs. Be sure to double space your bibliography, use 12-point font, ensure that you have alphabetized your sources, and use that hanging indent. I'll click here, and as usual, when you click there, you click Browse My Computer, and then you attach your document. So remember, and I want to go back to the self-paced, and I keep saying this, but I want to continue to reiterate. The assignments have suggested due dates. So let's say you didn't turn in your assignments that have the suggested due date of 4/27, which is today. I will not take off late points. What I need is everyone to turn all of their work by May 12th, which is fast approaching. I have those suggested due dates just so you can follow along and so that it chunks out the information for you. If you have followed along and have been able to, I know some people are having more difficulty just because of these circumstances. I know you're working more. I know that you're dealing with a lot. Just contact me. Let me know what's going on. I can work with you. I will work with you. I want to be flexible, and I want to reiterate that what you're dealing with at home is more important than these assignments, in my opinion. So the final assignments, again, need to be in by 12, but if there's going to be difficulty with that, communicate your concerns about that deadline with me so that I can adjust something for you. So what we'll do is on Wednesday when we meet during our Zoom session, I will go over annotated bibliographies. We'll practice annotated bibliographies for people who want more practice. and I hope to see many of you in that session. If you can't come to the session, remember that Zoom session is not mandatory. It's just there for extra support. I hope you're all well. Please message me if you need anything, and I look forward to seeing many of you on Wednesday. Thanks. Bye.